Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a gamble. You don't really to throw you up.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait.
Hello guys. I know the lighting is off right now. If this helps. Yeah, this may help a little bit. I am testing out a new camera of mine, which is the Action 4. I actually got it for less than $100, probably $50, because I used a gift card that I had, or a check that came unexpectedly, so I used that. But it was on Prime Day special for $200, so I actually got this for, I think I paid $50 for it. So yeah, I had $150 check that came in unexpectedly, so I just used that for this because I wanted to a little something. I've been like researching this camera and I wanted to try with the Best Buy. It was like if all this fails and I don't like the camera, I can sell it. But anywho, that's besides the point. This is going to be a test video. Right now I am doing an Amazon Flex. It is currently 6:12 in the morning. I just pulled up. I just got in the line. I'm waiting to see my packages. Let me see if I can show you guys. Like, there's the place right there. But anywho, I'm in line right now. It looks like it's going to be a pretty good. It's not going to be too much because it's still, today's the last day of Prime. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get ready to actually pull up because it starts at 6:15. So yeah, let's get this sample vlog. Y'all can follow me while I do my Amazon Flex, and we can see how the footage turn out. But yeah, that's what we're doing, is the Amazon Flex. So yeah, let's get this day started. And I'm also gonna see how long this battery lasts. It's because this shift is from 6:15 to 9:45, but usually I get done early. But I got some batteries in the cart, but I'm trying to see how long this battery, because y'all know I still got my Dji, but I may just go ahead and get that pack of batteries while they're on sale, the 2-pack. So yeah, and we off. So let me go ahead and get my stuff.
I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this dick ass like getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. I feel like a tourist.
Alright, y'all, it's hot. I got all my packages and I'm ready to go. I have 33 packages and I think 27. I have total of 27 stocks and 33 packages. I headed to my first place in Atlanta. Looks like it's like Brookhaven area. That looks like it's at. So I'm headed to drop off that. Y'all can see my packages. That's all my packages I have. But yeah, I'm dropping that off. Again, this shift is from 6:15. It's currently 6:30. It says 3 hours to take me, so that means it's taking less than 3 hours. So I think this one is $70 this route, $70 for 3.5. And usually when it says 3, I probably can do this in the 2.5. I never really just go all the way, so that's good. So yeah, let me get these deliveries started. Yeah, I got it says take me 27 to get 27 minutes to get to the first stop, and it's 17 miles away. Usually they're all back to back when I get there, so yeah, we'll see what time I get done with this route today. So yeah, it's choking me. I'll be back. So I got like 3 more stops and I am done. Let me put my seatbelt. I hate wearing my seatbelt when I do this because it's like all the stops that I be doing. But so far everything's good. It's currently 8:22. Like I said, I got 3 more stops, so I think I'll be done in probably 10-15 minutes, which means I did about an hour, 2 hours and 10 minutes of work. It's hot, y'all. It is 74 degrees in my car. That's what it says. But the area, I'm not bad. Like, today's not a bad day because I did a lot of houses. One thing I hate when I do Instacart is doing a lot of apartments, and then they want it, like, you got 5 packages and then they want it all to their front door. Or I hate when they have apartments but they have no access to leave no code or anything. So I just have to leave them at the, hold on, y'all. Where am I at? I passed it. I passed my stop, y'all. I passed my stop. I think this is it over here though. Hold on, y'all. Alright, I got 2 more stops. I'm gonna have to definitely turn around. I was gonna film that one, but he was already outside, so I couldn't do that one. So I guess I gotta turn around. All right, second to last stop. All right, second to last stop. I was gonna film that one, but that customer was already outside, so I just gave him his package. So I got 2 more. This one's just 0.3 miles away. It says take me 2 minutes. So let's get these last 2 out the way, and we'll be done, and we'll be heading home. So let's go.
I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, confess. You can open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so.
Alright, see what I was talking about. The looks locker was, they didn't have a code, they have to have a key fob, and it is 8:35, so that means, hold on. See, that's exactly what I mean. Lucky it's just 1 package, but they don't have a fob because they're closed. So only reason why I am going to deliver it because it is 1 package, so it is an envelope. So I'm just trying to find the Alright, so I finished my load and I'm headed back to the house. It's 8:40. 8:45 now. I finished like 10 minutes ago. I had to call Amazon Flex, so they'll know that package I did with 5 people, that I left it all in the same place. I just want to make sure that I was noted. But besides that, everything is good. I'm headed back home. I think I need to stop by the store and get me, cause I'm making some Alfredo. I got the stuff to make the Alfredo. I think I got everything. But yeah, I'm gonna go and prep and cook my chicken. I'll probably do that later on today, but that's what I'm doing now. And then it's hot. It's 74 degrees, but I swear to God, like 89, 90 degrees. It's just 8:46. But anywho, I don't want to ramble too much longer. I am going to head to the crib, and I'm probably going to get with you guys when I get home. I need to review this footage and see the quality of it, but I think it's very compared to my Dji Pocket 2. Not 2, but 3. My Dji Pocket 3, I think the quality is probably about the same. Just the little gamma part is a little different. But anywho, yeah, I'll be back.
The move for empathy is blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Hey guys, how you doing? This is me coming back with a final review. Excuse what I have on right now. It's 6:30 in the morning. I am currently doing a little overtime my main job, so I'm just doing a couple hours. So I've been here since 6. So yeah, so that's why I got to move them on and my hair wrapped. So anywho, I just wanted to come to you guys and tell you my final thoughts of this camera. Not final thoughts, but what I think so far. So far, I do like the camera. It's compact, it's small, it can go in the pocket, it's durable, it can go in the water, it's waterproof, all those good specs. Great, love it. It is taking some time to get used to the 2 buttons, because there's one on the side and one on the top. So like me turning on and off, I'm still getting used to it. I know if you push the side button, it changes to photo, so sometimes I think I'm in picture mode, but I go to photo. But the settings and everything is pretty much the same as the Dji Pocket, so I accessed and did all that pretty good. So that's pretty good. And some accessories I got one accessory I don't have on. It's the car mount, which is just a backpack clip that with the little thing to go up and down, but I used it as a tripod. I did get this piece right here, and I got this on instead of the one that came in the box of the magnet, so I can put a tripod on. I also got a bigger tripod, which I can use for my Dji Pocket. That's 59 inches. That's pretty much. I got the SD card, and I got 2 batteries still coming in the mail. But overall, this camera is worth every penny, I would say. It's very durable. It's more durable than the Pocket, so I'm going to use both probably for if I want to do 2 different vlogs. I can do both on one on each, so I can do that. So I'm very happy with my purchase. Got it for a good buy. Got it for it was $200, no, $199 on Amazon Prime. I paid $50 for the camera, so I can't complain about that. $50 for Dji Pocket, no, Dji Action Pocket 4. So yeah, great price for what I got it for, and I'm really happy with my purchase. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep testing it for you guys so y'all can see how it is. I do want to probably even send a self view of me putting it on my chest, get the little strap thing and doing stuff like that. But yeah, I'm really in love with these small compact cameras. I did sell my big one that I had, the DTLSR, or the big camera. I sold that when I got my Pocket. So now I just have my Pocket, my Action, and my Sony ZV-1F. So those are the cameras I got now. So I think I'm pretty much good for right now. But anywho, like I said, I just wanted to come to you guys and just tell you the outcome of what I think so far. Excuse the way I would look right now, but I'm at work and today may be a little busier day, so I just wanted to come and tell you guys about what I thought about the camera. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys, bye. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button and notification so you can be notified when I do upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.